What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to play Midsummer Madness, and we actually got a lot of big artists collaborating over here. We got Rich Brian, we got Joji, we got August 08, and we also have Higher Brothers. I never heard of them before. So for this song, it's actually very easy. It's just a thing of two chords. The song actually proceeds with just two chords, and for the outro we actually change for a little bit time and then we just come back. I'm just gonna break down everything, but firstly have a look at the chords. The first chord is a D major 7, which is mute, mute, open, second, second, second. So I like to play it like this. I got my middle, ring, and my index on my pinky. So what happened is, when I'm trying to play that A major chord, so we come to the A major chord, which is mute, open, second, 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 open. We come to this shape, we just put our index, so we don't have to change the fingers a lot. It's just a placement of a single finger from D major 7 to A, because that's the two important chords. We just alternate between those two chords for the whole song. So D major 7, A major. For the outro we have a C major 7, which is mute, 3, 2, open, open, open. And then we have a G major 7, which is 3 on the E string, mute on the A string, open, 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 2. And that's a G major 7. That's it. So you can already see my right hand as well. So let's talk about the song. For the whole song, we have the same thing going on, and that's just of two chords. D major 7, A major 7. And that's it. And one finger picking pattern actually goes, which follows the two chords. And for the outro, so for the intro and for the outro, we actually start off like we have Joji singing over there. So Joji comes for the outro also, and there it just changes a little bit where we come to the C major 7 and G major 7, but again we come back to the D major 7 and A major. So let's get started. Finger picking basis, I'm using my thumb to play the D string, index finger using my thumb to play the E string, A string, or D string. These are three strings where the bass note of any chord are actually located. I got my index finger for the G string, my middle finger for the B string, and ring finger for the high E string. And that's how I just pick everything. So the pattern basically is, for the D major 7 chord I play the D string, G string, B string, high E string. That's it. So, and when I move on to the E major chord, I play A string, D string, G string, B string. So we just come one string up. So the chord progression for the whole song will be a D major 7 and the A major. And we just gonna do that finger picking 4 times on each chord. So we got D, G, B, E, D, G, B, E, D, G, B, E, D, G, B, E, A major, A, G, B, E, A, G, B, E, A, G, B, and we'll just go on with that. And if you want, sometimes you can even change playing A, G, B, high E string for the A major chord. It actually doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So we got, and then A major, A, G, B, high E string. So we got, you can do any one. You can just pick the A, D, G, B for the A major, or you can even pick A, G, B, and a high E string. So let me play that a couple of times. 4 times for each chord, doesn't matter what the chord is, what the progression is. And now we actually have this just going. So if you want to learn an optional string pattern, here it is. It's a down, up, mute, down. So we got down, up, mute, down. And we actually do this twice for each chord, replacing that finger picking pattern. So we got down, up, mute, down. One more time. Move on to the A major. 2 times. D major 7. One more time. A major. One more time. And that's basically everything. And when you come to the outro, we just have the C major 7 and G major 7 going 2 times. So we got C major 7, G major 7, C major 7, G major 7. And the pattern is actually same finger picking pattern. You can even strum the chords. So I play the C major 7, I play the A string, G string, B string, high E string. And for the G major 7, I play the E string, the bass note, top E string, then the G, then the B, and the high E string. Again 4 times, so let's see how it sounds. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. And then we have, you can just strum the chords you want. And after that we again come back to D major and A major. We play that 2 times and we're actually done. So we got, and that's almost everything for this song. So this was actually the most easiest lesson out today on Friday. I actually did a lot of new songs came out today recently, so I'm just gonna cover all the songs which came out today in the next 11 hours. So make sure to check them out, drop in one of these if this helps you out, and make sure to hit the subscribe button because I just want to raise 2K subs as fast as possible, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.